Hello everyone. In today's 1 minute wisdom, I'll be telling you 10 habits that can literally change your life for good. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. Waking up early. The most successful people know that a simple change in routine can make all the difference. By starting each morning at 5 or 6 o'clock, they add a few extra hours of productive time to their life every day. Number 2. Learning from failures. Every successful person will tell you that failures are golden opportunity to your way ahead, but only if you learn from them. So don't mind to fail. Just keep learning from them. Number 3. Reading every day. It's no coincidence that almost all the successful people are avid readers. Reading provides you the knowledge and experience that money can't buy, and successful people know this. So what you're waiting for? Start reading. Number 4. Making sacrifices. In order to become successful, it is necessary to make sacrifices of things that don't add value to your life. For example, social media. Number 5. Practicing delayed gratification. Almost all the things that we do give us instant gratification, but that never teaches us how to be patient. Delayed gratification cannot be explained in few seconds. I'll make a dedicated video on this one for you. Until then, just know that it's important and try to voluntarily delay things that give you instant gratification. For example, watching a movie or having chips, snacks or an ice cream, etc. I hope this video helped you in some or the other way. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.